my channel, Elves at your service, and today's video, pag-aaralan natin ang Gates by Love and the Outcome. And this song is requested by Sister Mary Grace De Jesus of Cebu City. Alam ko, excited na kayo sa ating tutorial. Grab your guitar and let's begin! First chord, A minor. First fret, second string. Second fret, fourth and third string. Skip string number 6. Hit 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, F major. Hold like this. Second fret is string number 3. Third fret is string number 5 and 4. F major. Beginner, you can use F major 7. First fret string number 2. Second fret string number 3. Third fret string number 4. Skip string number 5 and 6. Hit 4, 3, 2, and 1 for F major 7. Instead of F major for beginner, you can use F major 7. Next, C major. First fret string number 2, second fret string number 4, third fret string number 5, skip string number 6, hit 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 for C major. C2, optional. Pwedeng mag-C major lang kayo or gusto nyo i-apply yung C2. Okay? C2 on the second fret, string number 4. Third fret, string number 5 and number 2. Okay? 5 and number 2. Skip string number 6. Hit 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 for C2. G major. Second fret string number 5. Third fret string number 6. And third fret string number 1. 1. G major. First fret, hold like this. String number 1 and 2. Third fret, string number 4. F2. Again, optional. Kung ayaw niyong i-play ang F2, pwedeng dun na lang tayo sa ating F major. Second fret, string number 3. Third fret, string number 6 and number 1. For G2. Or G2, hold like this. Optional ang G2 or mag-stick lang kayo sa G major. Strum pattern natin is down strum. 8 times natin uulitin yung ating down strum sa 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times down strum lang na paulit-ulit sa bilang na 4 counts. Ulitin ko, sa 4 counts natin or 1 bar, meron tayong 8 times na uulitin yung ating down strum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Since naka-palm muted tayo, gagamitan natin ang ating palm. Ito. Ito, ang ating palm. Iipitin natin dito or ipipress natin para ganito na yung tunog ng ating pagpa-palm mute. Okay. Hindi dito. So, hahanap tayo ng magandang tunog. Kasi gagamit tayo ng chords mamaya eh. So, dito natin, suggest ko sa inyo na dito natin sa bandang may bridge natin. Yan yung ating pagpa-palm mute. Okay? Para sa mga hindi maka-apply ng palm mute, so kayong bahala kung anong strum pattern ang i-apply ninyo.
I'm pressing into you. You are my battle song. I'm pressing into you. You are my battle song. I'm pressing into you. You are my battle song. I fight a war already won. I will run through the gates with thanksgiving and praise to the place where freedom's found. All my fears come crashing down. I will run through the gates with thanksgiving and praise to the place where freedom's found. All my fears come crashing down. I will run through the gates.
I hope you guys had fun with the lesson. But before tayo mag-end, gusto ko lang i-shout out sina Agnes B. Vlog, Ensyang Rabulan, Jomar Albano, Laspin Warren, Junggoy in the house, Mami Ann Channel, Amian Kersmid, Jenny Peros, Sheng Montero. Happy Hearts Day at syempre Kong Hei Patsoy na rin para sa ating Chinese community. At sa muli, maraming salamat sa pagtambay sa aking bahay, ang Musikera. Bye-bye!
Thanksgiving and praise to the place where freedom's found, where all my fears come crashing down. I will run through the gates. Thanksgiving and praise to the place where freedom's found, where all my fears come crashing down. I will run through the gates.